That's not a fantasy. That's what a Roth IRA can do for someone who starts at 25 and never touches it. But here's the part that should stop you cold. Most people, smart, hardworking, financially stressed people, will never open one, not because they can't, not because they don't qualify, but because of something invisible. Something psychological, something nobody ever talks about. And by the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly what that invisible thing is and how to beat it. Let me paint a picture. You've heard the words Roth IRA maybe a dozen times. A coworker mentioned it. A podcast brought it up. You saw it on a finance video at 1 a.m. when you couldn't sleep. You told yourself, I should look into that. And then you didn't, not because you're irresponsible, not because you don't care about your future, but because the moment you started to look, you hit a wall. What even is a Roth IRA? Is it a savings account? A stock? Do I need a broker? What if I pick wrong? What if I lose everything? The questions piled up faster than the answers. And so you close the tab. Sound familiar? You are not alone, and you are not behind. You just haven't had someone explain this the right way. Until now. Psychology behind the problem. Here's what's actually happening, and it has a name. It's called analysis paralysis. When we're faced with too many choices and not enough clarity, our brain does something fascinating. It freezes. It does nothing. It protects us by avoiding the decision entirely. Psychologist Barry Schwartz called it the paradox of choice. The more options we have, the less likely we are to choose any of them. And investing, it has 1,000 options. Brokerage firms, index funds, contribution limits, tax rules. Your brain sees that complexity and it hits the emergency brake. But there's a second layer, a deeper one. Most of us grew up in homes where investing was never discussed. It was for rich people, for people who went to certain schools, knew the right people, had money to spare. We weren't taught this. So subconsciously, we don't believe it's for us. And when you don't believe something is for you, you don't pursue it. That belief is a lie, and today we're going to replace it. Because a Roth IRA is not a rich person's tool. It is the single most beginner-friendly, tax-advantaged wealth-building account the U.S. government has ever created. And almost anyone with earned income can open one, sometimes with as little as $1. Before we continue, if this video is already making you realize how expensive waiting can be, take 2 seconds and hit subscribe. Because this channel is all about breaking down money, investing, and wealth building in a way that actually makes sense. No confusing finance jargon, no fake guru nonsense. And trust me, the sooner you learn this stuff, the more your future self is going to thank you. Now let's keep going, because the next part is where most people make the mistake that costs them years of financial growth. Practical step-by-step solution first. What is a Roth IRA in plain English? It's a retirement account where you invest money you've already paid taxes on, and when you retire and withdraw it. Every single dollar, including all the growth, comes out completely tax-free. Think about that. Decades of compound growth, 0 taxes on the way out. That is the power sitting unused for millions of people right now. Here's exactly how to start. Step 1. Check if you qualify. If you earned income this year, from a job, freelancing, anything, you likely qualify. In 2024, individuals earning under $146,000 a year can contribute the full amount. That covers most people watching this right now. Step 2. Open an account. Go to a trusted, beginner-friendly platform, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or Vanguard, all free to open. Takes about 10 minutes. You don't need a financial advisor. You don't need to know everything. You just need to start. Step 3. Contribute what you can. The yearly limit is $7,000, but you don't need $7,000 to start. You can begin with $50, $20, whatever you have. The habit of contributing matters more than the amount right now. Step 4. Invest in a simple index fund. Once your money is in the account, it needs to be invested, otherwise it just sits there doing nothing. Choose a simple total market index fund. It's a basket of hundreds of companies. Low risk for a beginner, set it, leave it, that's the entire system. Examples and STORAS meet 2 people, both 25, both earning $45,000 a year. Marcus opens a Roth IRA. He contributes just $200 a month. He picks a basic index fund and forgets about it. He never gets rich overnight. He never makes a bold move. He just stays consistent. By 65, assuming a 7% average annual return, Marcus has over $525,000, tax-free. Then there's Daniel. Daniel always meant to open one, but there was always something, a move, a rough month. A confusing article that made him feel like he wasn't ready yet. At 65, Daniel has whatever he managed to save in a regular account, taxed smaller and not enough. Same income, same opportunities. The difference? One decision, made once. At 25, every year you wait doesn't just cost you 1 year of contributions. It costs you the compound growth on every dollar you didn't invest. That's the number nobody shows you. Motivational ending plus mindset shift. Here is the shift I need you to make today. Stop thinking of investing as something you'll do when you have enough money. That day is not coming, not on its own. Investing is how you create financial security, not the reward you get after you already have it. You don't need to be wealthy to invest. You invest to become wealthy, and a Roth IRA is not complicated. It is not exclusive. It is not out of reach. It is a tool, sitting right there, waiting for you to pick it up. The version of you 30 years from now is watching this moment, hoping you'll make a different choice than you made last year. Don't let another year go by with the tab closed. Open the account. Start with whatever you have. Future you will feel the difference in a way that's hard to put into words. I want to hear from you right now. Drop a comment. Are you opening your Roth IRA this week? Or do you already have one? What's your biggest tip for a beginner? Your comment might be the thing that pushes someone else to finally start. If this video gave you clarity, share it with one person who needs it. That's how we build this community. And if you want to go even deeper, I made a full video on how to choose your first investment inside a Roth IRA. No experience needed. I'll link it right here. Subscribe if you're serious about your financial future. New video every week. Practical, human, no fluff. This is the financial mindset. And the best financial decision you ever make might be the one you make today.